use at some point in the near future for a game. First one being the famous red triplane, the Fokker Dr.1, the Red Baron's plane, Baron von Richthofen. So this little plane only takes 13 damage before it's downed. Uses an A damage deck, so it's got because it's got the twin machine guns, and a D manoeuvrability. Now that's completely different from the Camel and the Albatross, although it had a rotary engine like the Camel, so it was able to turn very sharply to the right, but it was also generally highly manoeuvrable. So you've got manoeuvres like that, as well as that. But notice how short the distance is on that one there. It doesn't move far. Incredibly tight turn to the right, but the overall speed of the thing is considerably slower. So there's the straight ahead manoeuvre. Okay, so really manoeuvrable, slow little fighter with which dishes out good damage. Yeah, that'll be fun and different to use. And in complete contrast, the RE8, Royal Flying Corps, the two-seater. Oh, cat in the background. Yeah. Yeah, much bigger plane. See the two alongside each other there. And so the RE8 also can only take 13 damage, so it's not a robust aircraft despite its size. And the guns are B and B, so forward firing and rear firing guns are both at B deck damage. So not great, but the arc of fire is all around here at the back and the usual front arc. So it's only these areas here that it's not going to get a shot in. Okay, and the manoeuvre deck, it's fairly slow and it's a bit lumbering. Just general sweeping turns and not very fast forwards. Not very manoeuvrable at all. So there you go. Should be a fun little match-up, I think. But perhaps not just those two aircraft. I'll think about that. Okay, there it is.